Why you almost broke my arm? That's a lawsuit.
A 24-year-old woman named Amari Bente Hendricks. On February 16, 2023, in Florida, police received reports that Amari threatened McDonald's employees with a firearm. The dispute broke out over a free cookie while she was in their drive-thru. An officer responded to the report and quickly located Amari's vehicle. The officer ordered her to exit the vehicle. Although she complied with the order, she was verbally argumentative with the officer.
Stay right there. Stay right there.
Okay.
Exit the car. Hands. Exit the car.
What?
Exit the car.
How you gonna tell me to exit?
Out of the car. Put it in park.
Who you yelling
Just give me
at? Who
traffic.
you yelling at?
Right here. Hands on the
Who you
hood.
yelling at?
Hands on the hood.
Who you yelling
You have a
at?
gun? Hey, but hands
I'm
on the hood.
not
Stop arguing. Hands
I'm
on the
not arguing
hands
with
on
you.
the hood.
My hand is on the hood. Why have to put my hands on the hood?
The officer quickly apprehended the Amari. He also informed dispatch of their location. He told her that she was being detained. Multiple officers quickly arrive at the scene.
Am I arrested?
You're being detained.
How?
Put your
Look, see what they doing to me, babe?
in front of Zoe's kitchen. Hurry up.
You see what they doing?
Got it. Give him traffic. Hey, Alpha, phone office 10-6, 1033 for the units at McDonald's, 240 South State Road 434, 240
get my
South
ball
State Road
money
434,
ready.
1135 hour.
Being detained.
You
Did
heard
flash
me?
a gun there?
Why y'all doing all this? Why cost for all these cops?
Because they said you shot a gun over there.
Huh? I'm licensed.
Another officer arrived at the scene in the middle of the arrest. The initial officer who apprehended Amari instructed them to put her in the cruiser. Initially, she tried to protest, but the officers quickly shut her down and placed her inside the cruiser.
Okay. Yeah, we got this. Yeah, we do.
What you doing?
That's all.
You just came here. Why you being all hostile? Hello? I'm on the car. I'm on the car. You don't have to
Just put her in the car.
No, you don't have to put me in the car. You don't have to. Let me get my
Hey,
stuff.
do not pull away from him.
I'm
Listen
not
to him.
pulling away from him.
I'll fight her.
What is you doing?
Take her.
What are you doing? Why you almost broke my arm? That's a lawsuit.
You're pulling away from him. Just
I'm
listen to
not
what he's
pulling
saying.
away from him.
I
I
watched
didn't
you
pull
do
away
it.
from him not
I
one
watched you do
time.
it.
Multiple officers then started searching Amari's vehicle. The officer who escorted Amari to the police cruiser came back. He found that other officers were able to locate the firearm used in the incident.
I'm on the car.
Just put her in the car right now.
No, you don't have to put me in the car. You don't have to. Let me get my
Hey, do
stuff.
not pull away from him.
I'm not pulling away from him. What?
Just keep her in the car. Goodbye. You don't bounce. I pull her over.
Amari Bente Hendricks was charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon without intent to kill, improper exhibit of a firearm, battery causing bodily harm, and resisting an officer without violence.